Welcome to our channel Science and Knowledge. What is known about the upcoming iPhone 17 lineup? Apple is preparing for big changes in its future iPhone lineup. The iPhone 17 Pro Max could have the biggest iPhone battery ever. According to the latest available data, that's 6.93% more battery capacity than the iPhone 16 Pro Max, and Apple has never used such a large battery before. Let's dive into the video for full details. To know all this here, please watch the video till the end. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge for our future videos. The future iPhone 17 lineup is shaping up to be one of the most exciting upgrades we've seen in years. If early leaks and reports are to be believed, Apple is moving beyond the usual year-on-year tweaks. We're talking about a whole new model, bolder design changes, camera upgrades, and better hardware across the board. Apple might be reaching for the stars with the battery in its next high-end iPhone. Or, at least, reaching for what several Android phones have already achieved, anyway. A new leak from prolific Chinese leaker Setsuna Digital on Weibo, courtesy of GSMArena, suggests the iPhone 17 Pro Max will have a 5000 mAh battery, the first ever 5000 mAh cell from Apple in an iPhone. It would beat the previous biggest iPhone battery, which was the 4685 mAh cell in the iPhone 16 Pro Max. A decent number of recent Android flagships, such as the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, have already launched with 5000 mAh batteries. That's not to say that iPhone batteries have been struggling though, as they are generally pretty power efficient and have performed well in our testing over the years. That actually makes this news a bit more exciting. If the new iPhone's battery is bigger while retaining that efficiency, this could be a beefy battery, indeed. On the other hand, the iPhone 17 Pro Max may set a new benchmark for iPhone photography. Leaks indicate it could sport three 48-megapixel sensors for wide, ultra-wide, and telephoto shooting. This configuration may allow the device to support 8K video recording and iPhone first. iPhone 17 Pro models, and even the iPhone 17 Air, are rumored to have 12 GB of RAM. This upgrade should help to improve the performance of Apple Intelligence and multitasking. The presentation of the entire iPhone 17 series, including the Air and Pro models, is expected in September this year. So, for more tech news and updates, please stay tuned, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. See you next time, stay blessed, peace out.